Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope every one of you having a good time with your family and enjoying the spirit of Christmas. I made this easy DIY from macaroni boxes to turn them to some ornaments, farmhouse look ornaments. I hope you like the ideas and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like the ideas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I draw a mitten and you can draw any type of decoration for Christmas. And I used the white chalk pen from Dollar Tree, and then I tried to make it look give it the kind of decoration or some drawing to it to make it look a little bit more beautiful than it's just the plain paper. And then attach a piece of string, and you can hot glue them, but it's better to use double-sided tape so it doesn't make any kind of bumps with the hot glue. It's so easy DIY. It doesn't cost any. You can do it with anything you have at home. And the second idea is that I used some crochet yarn to cover the piece of the paper with it to have it have a different look, and then also attach a piece of string for with it so you can be able to hang it on the tree. And I used a piece of silver ribbon to make it the end of the mitten to look like the faux part of it. And for the second idea or the third idea, I made some small gift boxes so I can put it under the little small tree, or we can also hang it on the trees by attaching a piece of string for it. So just use the side parts from the macaroni box, and I got this from Dollar Tree. It's the kind of burlap ribbon with this look of farmhouse ancient look, and I like it. It's give me the farmhouse look more with the other ideas I have. I used the glitter ribbon to do the ribbon part for it, and then I put a small ribbon in the top, and voila, here you go. For like in 5 minutes you did some great easy decoration for your home to just add a little bit of decor in your Christmas decor, farmhouse style, and gives you different type of style without the a lot of glittery stuff and the high uh, you can understand. It gives you like some peace. It's easy and doesn't need a lot to do with it, so it's really easy and good. I hope you like my ideas. If you please subscribe and like the video and share it with your friend, and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.